I'm Officer Mays with Anchorage Police Department. Can you just turn the car off for me?
What am I being pulled over for?
Turn the car off.
What am I being pulled over for?
Turn the car off, and I will explain it to you. Lock the front.
What am I being pulled over for?
Okay. So the reason you're being stopped is because you have a headlight out. Okay. Any guns in the car? Okay. Any guns on you? Okay. Hand me the keys.
What am I being pulled over for?
Because you have a headlight out. Hand me the keys.
I got to pull over?
Yes, you have a headlight out.
Okay, that's a traffic ticket.
And 4A will take one more to the front, please.
Why do you want the keys, bro?
Hand the keys out. Because you're acting like this, and I don't want you driving away.
I tried to ask you where I was being pulled over for.
And I'm explaining it to you that you have a headlight out. That's why you've been stopped.
Okay. That doesn't mean you got to take the keys.
Okay, go ahead and slide out the car to that officer.
For what?
Get out of the car.
Why?
If you don't get out, we're going to use force against you.
I don't have no
Gun?
gun. I don't have no gun, man.
Get out of the fucking car.
Hey, it's a phone, bro.
Get out of the
Don't
fucking
shoot
car.
me, bro. Don't shoot me. Hey, man, it's a phone. Don't shoot me, man. Hey.
Do not move.
Hey, gun. Gun, lap. Give us a 44. Keep your hands on the roof. Hey, back up. Just back up. We'll call them out. Keep your hands on the roof. Hey, back up. Just back up. We'll call them out. Do not move.
Here's where they've been home. The garage man door was unsecured. This one here is unsecured as well. And 4A will take one more to the front, please.
Uh, 42, are you still en route? K4.
K4, I'll hit him.
K4.
Triple T, stay acting broadcast, North 576, I'm heading further now.
Triple C, Joey.
4.